Hi Northside, this is Mrs. Donor. Today we are going to be talking about finding the distance between 2 points. To find the distance between 2 points, we need to use our distance formula, and our distance formula is right here. So it says the distance is equal to the square root of the quantity x2 minus x1 quantity squared plus y2 minus y1 quantity squared. So let's do an example where we already have the coordinates of the points given to us. So we want to find the distance of the points, or the distance between the point 1, 2 and the point 4, 6. So we'll say this one is our x1, this is our y1, and this is our x2, and this is our y2. Now we can go ahead and just plug those straight into our formula. So we get the distance is equal to 4 minus 1 quantity squared plus 6 minus 2 quantity squared. And now we just go ahead and solve that. So when we get 4 minus 1, we get 3 squared plus 6 minus 2, which is 4, and that's squared. And then 3 squared is equal to 9, so we have 9 plus 4 squared, which is 16. We go ahead and take 9 plus 16, and that is 25. And we go ahead and take the square root of 25, and that equals 5. So the distance between those points is 5 units. So now we look at this example, and this example is on a coordinate plane. So we're not given the coordinates, we have to go ahead and find them, but we still want to find the distance between the 2 points, which is also known as the length of this line segment that is between them. So this, we want to find the length of that, so that is known as the distance between the 2 points. So we do the same thing, but we have a different first step. Our first step is to find the coordinates of the point. So we look, and this one is 3, 1. And then our other point, if we look, is -3, 9. Now we do the same and just plug that into our formula. So we get the distance equals the square root of -3 minus 3 quantity squared plus 9 minus 1 squared. When we go ahead and solve, we get -3 minus 3, which is 6 squared, -6, sorry, and then plus 9 minus 1, which is 8, and then we have that squared. Now -6 squared is 36, and then 8 squared is 64. So we have 36 plus 64. When we add those together, we get 100, and we take the square root of that, and we get 10. So the length of the line segment is 10 units. That is the way to find the distance.